In this video, I will show you how to connect your Amazon Echo to your phone. By doing that, you could play anything from your phone and it will play on your Amazon Echo. In other words, you would use your Amazon Echo as an external speaker to your phone. In this way, you could play Spotify, Audible, YouTube, music that you got stored on your phone, and more. And taking full advantage of Amazon Echo's audio quality. So on your phone, scroll this down, hold Bluetooth, and then touch pair a new device. And then say, Alexa, pair.
Searching.
And now Echo appears. Just select it. Touch pair.
Connected to Xperia XZ Premium. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
As easily as that, we connected Echo to our phone. Now you could play anything from your phone and Echo would act as a Bluetooth speaker. Now if I go to my music folder in my phone, I can literally play anything I want. So let's try a file. Alexa, stop. And you can even stop by using your voice. You can play Spotify. You can play anything on Audible. You could even play things on YouTube. If this video was useful, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.